Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rafita Ghazid Naftari. I am from Studi Program Pendidikan Administrasi Perkantoran. I will presentation about my proposal. The title is The Influence of Parents' Socioeconomic Status and Self-Efficacy on Interest in Continuing Higher Education in High School Student Cengkareng District. Next, Bab 1, Preliminary. Background. The first, interest in continuing education to college high in students is still low. The second, high school graduates who don't continue their education to college. The third, data for the last 3 years of students continuing their education to college. And the last, the research result on high school students in Cengkareng district. Next, interest in continuing to college remain low. Detik Edu, every year there are about 3 million students graduate from high school. However, not all high school graduates can continue to college. Kompas Edu, the economic issues are the main cause for school children cannot continue to college. Badan Pusat Statistik, education in Indonesia for targetless determined by the government because there's still money. Many students not continuing to college and choose to continue work. Next, the number of students on college in High School Jakarta Cahaya Fadilah. This is still low to continue education for the student. The next, we research on the high school student Cengkareng sub-district. Then yellow color, 58% get to work. Red color, 26% continue education in college, and the last green color, 16% make a business. This is student after graduation of senior high school student. And picture 1.1.2, what factor causing student in not continuing college? 30% is low self-efficacy. 33% low economic status of parents, 17% low peer support, and the last 12% low support from parents. The next, problem background. The first, what is the socioeconomic status interest parents to continue their studies to college in high school Cengkareng sub-district? The second, what is the efficacy of interest in continuing education to college Cengkareng in high school? And the last is, what is the socioeconomic status of parents and efficacy of interesting in continuing education to college Cengkareng High School? Next, research purpose. The first, to understand the influence of social status economics, interest in continuing education to parents of college high school in Cengkareng. The second is to know the efficacy of interest in continuing education to college high school in Cengkareng. And the last is to find out the influence of socioeconomic status parents and efficacy of interest in continuing education to college high school in Cengkareng. Next is the novelty of research. The first, new research site. The second is different research methods and objects. The last is variable indicator. Next, back to literature review. Conceptual definition. Interesting continuing their studies to college. According to Ismawati, continuing studies to college derive from which interest in it is the need to develop a science according to. The next, socioeconomic status, conceptual definition. According to Arniati, socioeconomic status is an association of a person in which there is harmony such as the characteristic of his work, education on status economic status. Sometimes socioeconomic status show inequality. The next, self-efficacy, conceptual definition. According to Barker and Orhin, self-efficacy is a self-measurement, self-ability to estimate whether what he or she is doing is good or bad. Is it right or wrong? The ability to do something in accordance with what has been determined. Relevant research, the effect of parent socioeconomic status and self-efficacy of interest education in higher education. Number 1, research in Nur Barokah and Agung Yulianto in 2019. Research title, The Influence of School Environment, Self-Efficacy, and Parent Socioeconomic Status and Interest in Continuing Higher Education with Learning Achievement as a Median Variable. The research result is there is a positive and significant effect of parents' self-efficacy and socioeconomic status on the interest in continuing their education to college. This is this relevant research. And the next is theoretical framework, the effect of the parent socioeconomic and self-efficacy on interest continue education in higher education. The first is the influence of socioeconomic status parents' interest to continue college. Expert opinion. According Fitriani, the result of the study show that the socioeconomic status of parents partially affects their interest in continuing their education to college. Hypothesis 2, the influence of self-efficacy interest to continue college. According Astria, result of the research conducted is that the hypothesis is accepted that there is a relationship between self-efficacy and interest in continuing education in high school students. And the last is hypothesis 3, the influence of socioeconomic status parents and self-efficacy interest to continue college. According Amico Haq, the relationship between the background of parents' socioeconomic status and self-efficacy mutually influence the interest in continuing study in higher education. The next is constellation in variable relationships. Constellation first, there is a positive influence between the socioeconomic status of parents and interest in continuing education to college. Constellation 2, there is a positive influence between self-efficacy and interest in continuing education to college. And the last, constellation 3, there is a simultaneous influence between people's socioeconomic status, college, and self-efficacy and interest in learning with interest in continuing education to college. The next is bab 3, research methods. Research place, methods, sample collection, and data collection techniques. Research place in SMA Cahaya Fadilah, SMA Al-Muhalaf, SMA Harapan Jaya, and method is the method used in this research is quantitative research method. And then sample collection techniques. The sampling techniques used in this study is proportional random sampling. And the last, data collection techniques. The data collection technique used this study is a questionnaire technique. Last is population and sample population. Population in high school student Cengkareng District, affordable population in while the population is class 12, which consists of majors in science and social science, amounting to 116. The population is 160 college students. Sample to determine number of students to be sampled. The sampling techniques used was the Isaac and Michael. This is This is a table of the population and sample. The word motivation. Don't wait, you can do it, but do it, you can do it. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.